So today we're going to be generating plasma with grapes in our microwave. So before we do this, I'd like to outline our safety precautions. First of all, this is an extremely dangerous experiment, so do not try this unless you are prepared and know what you're doing. First we have a dry chemical foam fire extinguisher, just in case things get out of hand. And we have burn cream here. And we have a glass plate to set things on if they catch fire. Now on that note, these are previous trials. Trial number 1, trial number 2, and trial number 3. It's pretty clear that high temperatures are generated. Plasma is in excess of 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This can cause a lot of damage to anything. So, be careful. Now what we have here is our grape, which has been split down the middle until there's only a thin piece of skin connecting the two halves. This is essential for this experiment. We've also dried the center with a paper towel. Now these are just ordinary store-bought grapes, so you can pretty much try this experiment, but again, be very careful. So this time, we're going to place the grape in the center of the microwave. Around the grape there are 3 rubber tabs which will hold up the plastic container. About the container, you can try a glass container, but glass has a tendency to interrupt microwave radiation. So plastic is ideal, but because of the high temperature of plasma, should you generate any, it will melt. This is another reason to have ventilation, which we have this area ventilated. So this time, we're going to turn on the ventilation and turn off the lights. This reaction will occur between 5 and 10 seconds, and there may be fire. So, now there's a ball of plasma in the center, and it's about to melt through. So now, as you can see, the plastic container is melting, so we're going to remove it from the microwave. And so, as you can see, the grape and the microwave and the rubber tabs are completely intact. There's some charring around the center of the grape, but aside from that, nothing has been done to anything. So, again, this is a high-risk potential experiment, so do be careful if you're going to try this.